again here, and with my vlog. And this is, I just bought it, but I actually didn't. The wife did for my birthday. And we've been dealing with the Worx brand, the W-O-R-X brand of yard maintenance equipment. And she picked up the weed eater and the yard blower. Now, these are 40 volt machines, because we had a 12 volt and that didn't really do so good. And Black & Decker carries the 20 volt. Worx has the 40 volt. Snapper has the 60 volt. And then who's the other one that's got the 80? There's another one that's got the 80 volt. But I chose, I recommended that she get the 40 volt because it's kind of all round. So today I'm going to go ahead and open up, unbox the Worx ChainSaw. I've been seeing that, and I've got a gas chainsaw, but unfortunately the fuel line inside the tank has deteriorated. So now I'm going to have to pull that apart to get that repaired, you know, so I can replace the line, should I say. And all of a sudden, you know, these companies have come out with the chargeable battery yard equipment. And then I saw the chainsaw, and I said, that's going to be fantastic because I don't have to mix gas anymore. I don't have to wear earplugs. And this can go just about anywhere. I don't have to freaking pull on the starting chain, or the pull on the starting rope all the time to try and get it to start. So I figured if she wanted to buy me something that I wouldn't mind I didn't want the electric because I don't really chain to a electrical cord, especially when I'm down below in the lower field. Ain't no way you're gonna run a cord way down there. So I decided, oh, I'm sorry, didn't mean to wake you up. So I decided, well, I'm gonna go ahead and have her get me the chainsaw in the Worx brand. There you go. That's not a gas. That's not a gas. The gas tank. That is an oil tank. And I think you use regular bar oil. We'll see what it recommends. Just fill that up. That's the only thing you've got to worry about, is keeping that full. Undo that. That's your bar. That's your bar tensioning cover. Sweet. Little bit different. Oh, it actually comes with a chain cover. And that is the battery. Batteries take, said, about 8 hours new to charge, and then I think 4 hours after that. All the equipment comes with one. Wow, you're fully charged. I'm impressed. So it's as simple as just plug it in and slide it right on there. Wow, that's charged. I'm impressed. Sweet. It's all ready to go. Other than the bar oil. This is a 12 inch. So, cut that again. Simple. Just be careful. Those are sharp. Not the same. No, it's all the same. Great. Okay. You can be left-handed, right? The other ones are all right-handed. Right over the lobe there. Locks down. So, what do you mean by auto tension? Okay, we should get those in your groove. Looks like it's held in place. Wind it up. It's got a release to just protect. Well, I guess just a makeshift hand protector. I was wondering why that won't spin. Okay, let me double check that real quick. Okay. Now, as I can see, that spring kind of spring loaded, and it kind of slides down there. Okay, that does not rotate. A normal chainsaw, you can pull that through. I wonder where the bar loop that shows the direction of your chain. I don't know where the gear oil sprays out on it. Okay. Okay, so that locks in like that. Upside down. There you go. Those so they stay in there. Where are they? Alright, I have a right degree there. Threads right back in there, just like it should. Okay. Okay. There you go. There she is. Plug the battery in real quick. See what it does. Always keep that on there, as much as possible. You got a trigger button on it, and see what kind of oil does this thing take. It takes regular bar oil, because it's a thick oil. Let's see, fill with bar and chain oil before use. Bar and chain oil not included. Okay, so remember that it doesn't come with it. And I've got some in the garage, so I'm not going to spin that through until I put it in. I do want to go through this real quick, just like it showed. Make sure they go in the right direction. Line that up. It's got to go right. Lobe's got to go inside that.